Fire doors are more than just part of the background, they're silent guardians, engineered to save lives and property. When fire strikes, these doors become critical barriers, holding back flames and deadly smoke. Their correct specification, installation, and maintenance are essential. In Birmingham, understanding fire door safety is vital for every building owner and manager. The main job of a fire door is to contain fire and smoke, creating protected escape routes. This gives occupants precious extra minutes to evacuate safely, often the difference between life and death. Fire doors also help limit property damage, reducing the financial and operational impact of a fire. For businesses and homeowners alike, investing in compliant fire doors is a crucial responsibility, not just an expense. This guide, brought to you by CPL Group, will clarify safety standards and how we can help you stay compliant in Birmingham. We'll explain why fire doors matter, outline key legal requirements, and address Birmingham's unique building challenges. CPL Group's expertise ensures your fire doors are up to standard and ready to protect. Your proactive approach to fire safety starts here. Empower yourself with the knowledge to keep your property and people safe. Don't overlook fire doors. They're your first line of defense. Let's explore how to make sure yours are always ready. The right fire door can mean the difference between a safe escape and disaster. Understanding their role is the first step to better safety. CPL Group is here to guide you every step of the way. Read on to discover how to protect your building and its occupants. Fire safety is everyone's responsibility. Start with your doors. Your commitment today could save lives tomorrow. Fire doors blend into daily life, but their true value emerges in an emergency. They act as normal doors, but are built to withstand fire and block smoke for a set time. This compartmentation stops fire and smoke from spreading rapidly, protecting escape routes. Smoke inhalation is a leading cause of fire fatalities, so a fire door's smoke seal is as vital as its fire resistance. Properly placed fire doors keep corridors and stairwells safe for evacuation. Without them, escape routes can fill with smoke, trapping people inside. Faulty or wedged open fire doors offer no protection. Regular checks are essential. Damaged seals, poor hardware, or excessive gaps can cause doors to fail when needed most. Maintenance isn't optional, it's a core part of building safety. Every building owner must ensure fire doors are always in good working order. Vigilance saves lives and property. Don't let everyday familiarity breed neglect. Fire doors are only effective if they're used and maintained correctly. Make regular inspections part of your safety routine. Protect your escape routes. Protect your people. The consequences of neglect can be severe. Stay alert, stay safe. Not all fire doors are the same. They're rated for how long they can resist fire. Common ratings include FD30 and FD60, meaning 30 or 60 minutes of fire resistance. The rating covers the entire assembly: door, frame, hardware, and seals. Every component must be compatible and properly installed to achieve the rating. If any part fails, the door's protection is compromised. Some doors also have an S rating, indicating resistance to cold smoke, crucial for escape routes. FD30S or FD60S doors offer both fire and smoke protection. The right rating depends on the building's design and the door's location. For example, main escape routes may require FD60S, while storerooms might only need FD30. Building regulations and fire risk assessments dictate these requirements. Always consult these documents or seek expert advice. CPL Group can help you specify the correct fire door ratings for your Birmingham property. Proper specification ensures compliance and safety. Don't guess. Get it right from the start. The right door in the right place saves lives. Trust the experts to guide your choices. UK building regulations set strict standards for fire doors in most buildings. Approved Document B details where fire doors are needed and their required performance. Requirements vary by building type, use, height, and exit distances. Fire doors on escape routes must usually be self-closing to maintain compartmentation. Compliance isn't just for new builds. Ongoing inspection and maintenance are required. Building owners and landlords have a legal duty to ensure fire doors are installed and maintained correctly. Neglecting this responsibility can lead to prosecution and puts lives at risk. Local authorities can enforce compliance, issue notices, or even prohibit building use until issues are fixed. Non-compliance after a fire can result in severe penalties, including fines or imprisonment. Meeting regulatory standards is a legal and moral obligation. Don't risk your property or reputation. Ensure your fire doors meet all requirements. Regular checks and prompt repairs are essential. Stay informed about the latest regulations. Protect your occupants and your liability. Compliance is non-negotiable. Make fire door safety a top priority. The regulatory reform, Fire Safety Order 2005, or RRO, is the backbone of fire safety law for non-domestic premises. It applies to workplaces, commercial properties, and shared areas in residential buildings. The responsible person, usually the owner, employer, or occupier, must ensure everyone's safety. A key duty is to carry out and regularly review a fire risk assessment, including fire doors. Fire doors must be maintained in efficient working order, with regular inspections and prompt repairs. Keeping records of checks and maintenance demonstrates compliance. The RRO covers a wide range of Birmingham properties, from shops to high-rises. Landlords and managing agents have significant responsibilities under this law. Non-compliance can lead to legal action and endanger lives. CPL Group can help you meet your obligations and keep your fire doors compliant. Don't leave fire safety to chance. Know your duties. Stay proactive, stay protected. Birmingham's mix of historic and modern buildings creates unique fire safety challenges. Older properties may need bespoke fire door solutions to fit non-standard openings or preserve heritage features. Retrofitting fire doors in listed buildings requires specialist advice and careful planning. CPL Group has the expertise to balance safety with architectural character. High-rise buildings in Birmingham demand robust compartmentation. Fire doors are vital for protecting stairwells and lift lobbies. With high occupancy and longer evacuation times, reliable fire doors are essential. Dense urban areas mean a fire can quickly affect many people and properties. Effective fire doors limit fire spread, protecting lives and reducing damage. Every building, old or new, needs compliant, functional fire doors. Community safety depends on everyone doing their part. Don't let building complexity be an excuse for poor fire safety. Get expert help for your unique challenges. Protect Birmingham's heritage and its people. Make fire door safety a shared priority. CPL Group is your trusted partner for fire door compliance in Birmingham. We provide expert advice, quality products, and professional services tailored to your building's needs. Our team understands the complexities of fire door safety and current regulations. We work with all types of properties, offices, residential blocks, schools, and more. Only certified fire door products and skilled installers are used, ensuring top performance. Proper installation is as important as the door itself. A poorly fitted door won't protect. Our local knowledge means we offer solutions that fit Birmingham's diverse buildings. We're committed to raising fire safety standards citywide. By choosing CPL Group, you're choosing peace of mind and genuine care for your safety. We're here to support you at every stage, from assessment to installation and beyond. Trust us to keep your fire doors compliant and effective. Your safety is our mission. Partner with CPL Group for lasting protection. Installing fire doors is just the beginning. Ongoing inspection and maintenance are crucial. Daily use and accidental damage can compromise fire door performance. Regular checks catch issues like worn seals, faulty closers, or damaged frames before they become dangerous. The law requires regular maintenance. Don't risk non-compliance. CPL Group offers thorough fire door inspections across Birmingham. Our qualified inspectors assess every component and provide clear, actionable reports. If repairs or replacements are needed, our skilled technicians ensure work meets the highest standards. We supply certified doors and components for full compliance. All work is documented, supporting your fire safety records and legal obligations. We're always available for advice and ongoing support. Let us help you maintain a robust fire door safety regime. With CPL Group, you have a knowledgeable ally in fire safety. Stay compliant, stay protected. Make inspection and maintenance a routine, not an afterthought. Fire doors are life-saving devices, not just architectural features. In Birmingham's diverse, densely populated buildings, their importance is magnified. Properly specified, installed, and maintained fire doors are your first line of defense. Legal and moral responsibilities demand ongoing diligence. Compliance is not optional. Failure to act can lead to severe penalties and, more importantly, put lives at risk. Review your fire door provisions now. Are they correctly specified, regularly inspected, and well-maintained? Don't wait for a tragedy to highlight gaps in your fire safety. Take proactive steps today to protect your occupants and property. CPL Group offers expert inspections, maintenance, and installations across Birmingham. Contact us to schedule an assessment or discuss your needs. Let us help you achieve and maintain full compliance. Take action now. Your vigilance can save lives. Fire safety starts with you.